and neck.
I think it would be 8. There's 6. No. I think it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I can't. The colors, I can tell you have to say fourth.
If there's 7, if they're using like 7, then not 20.
They're moving. They're rolling.
You better go there. That
Let's go, Kai. Stroke. Let's go. Let's go.
One week later.
Back to another video. So me and Natalie, we're currently headed over the river right now to Buffalo because we're gonna go to a Sabres game tonight. She got me tickets as an early Christmas present. So Buffalo is playing Boston tonight, and Buffalo desperately needs a win tonight because they're on a 4-game losing streak, and if Buffalo loses tonight, I'll probably be in a bad mood the rest of the night because Buffalo played Vegas this past Thursday, and Jack Eichel came to return and got his revenge and scored a hat trick in Buffalo, so he was really giving up to the crowd. So luckily I wasn't at that game, so we ended up seeing Black Panther Wakanda Forever that night. So, and then we're gonna go to Target and Dick's Sporting Goods to do a little browsing and stuff, because and also the Sabres are revealed their red, black, and white jerseys. They're like third alternates that they're going to use in a couple games later in November. So we're staying overnight there after we go to the Sabres game, and then we're coming back like literally Sunday afternoon. So we're really going to be there for like, we'll probably be leaving around this time tomorrow-ish anyways. To make sure I got the parlays in before because once I head over the board, I can't use FanDuel or the score bet in there because since we won't be in Ontario anymore. Questions the guy asked, so now we're in here. So it's only like, it's not even 11:30 yet, so we're gonna do some shopping. Also, Dick's Sporting Goods, my sister told me there's a black Stephon Diggs Bills jersey, and they only had like a few left in stock. So if it's there, I might try to cop it. If it looks, I'll try it on first, see if it looks pretty. It looks pretty fire, but I'm about to pull into Target right here. No, what's the other place you told me? You told me another spot.
Trader Joe's.
That was the one.
That's in here as well.
I feel like oh, it's right under Target. Okay, yeah. I feel like Trader Joe's is like a hardware store. I don't know.
It's a grocery store.
I don't know why, but just the name.
Yeah.
It makes it seem like it's.
It's like Farm Boy.
Yeah, that's what you were telling me before.
Yeah. Target.
Target. Still don't have money. Try one of each of these. See how good they are. Oh, I see it. It's the only reason we came to Dick's Sporting Goods because I want to see this Diggs jersey. This. Oh, they even have the Diggs red one too. Yeah, how sick does this look? my Knox one. Especially when it comes to playoff time. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
How's she looking?
Looks good.
Looking all snug. Can you flip the camera for a second? Get this for Wyatt.
That's so cute.
At Olive Garden right now. First time I've had a breadstick in like forever. Alright, you ready to go to the Sabres game, Olafson?
Yes.
At Olstad and Middlestat. Hoping both of them score tonight. Boys desperately need a win against the Bruins tonight. Yep. So the light is green for them. It's red for us, and there's a little bit of a blockage in. Because everyone is literally trying to turn left to go where we're going, to the parking garage that we literally always park at every time we go to a Sabres game. So, I mean, I'm in the straight lane because no one's in this lane, so I might have to just maybe risk getting honked at and cut someone off, or hopefully an American will be nice enough to let us in. But yeah, we're literally like 2 minutes away from the arena, but yet like still 20 minutes away. Almost forgot my wallet. That would have been embarrassing. Okay.
What?
Said almost forgot my wallet. Alright, lock the race car up. Alright, let's go, Olsen. Game time. That took long. I don't know what was worse, waiting to park or like look at that.
Waiting to park was
If this is not a sellout crowd tonight,
it's crazy.
I give up. That is nuts. I've never seen it that packed since the last home game back in April. Middleset and Olsen line together. Woo, let's go. Woo. Maybe it was good luck Middleset and Olsen tonight. Honestly, jerseys look pretty fire. Get the bat off the ice. Oh, who's on? No one in front there. Oh! 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 That was gross! Woo! Oh, that was disgusting! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Oh, Taze, let's go! Woo! Oh! Oh, that was disgusting. Oh, go. Oh yeah, just kill it all. There you go. Attaboy, Cousins. You're right on net. I love that one.
There you go.
Whoa.
TNT!
Oh, Tuck should have lined Marchand up there. Let's go, Tuck. Oh, loose. Oh, loose. Oh. Let's go, our boys are out there. Nilsson and Olsen. Shoot it, Power. Shoot it. Ah, come on. Oh. Oh. Oh, right there. Oh. Oh, that would have been gross.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh! Oh shit, I thought that went in.
Nothing would be better than scoring a goal in a private.
Version's better.
Even better. Even better.
Oh, boys. Oh, no.
Outside.
Holy.
TNT!
KG wants a snipe from there.
TNT! We're good.
Yeah, give it to him, Lloyd.
Shoot the puck! Oh my God!
How's the wild berry taste?
Good, George, right?
Sure, I'll try a sip. Ooh, I like that actually.
It's as big as my head.
Yeah, I tried the new Spin Chicklets Big Deal Brewing. Oh shit. Oh! Oh! Oh my! Oh! 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 Cousins! Oh my God! Woo! Stay on it. Let's go. Oh! 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 Oh my God! Woo! Holy! Come on, boys. Offside. Yeah, the Tuck's pissed too. Take the L tonight, boys. Well, can't win them all, but yeah, I agree with you, pal. I thought we had it tonight, boys. This looks pretty clean, except just wish it had Tage Thompson on the back. What the hell, Dragon? What did you think of your first Sabres game with me?
It was good, even though they lost.
Yeah, I told Natalie, I was like, if they lose tonight, it's gonna be a quiet car ride on the way home, because usually I'm always talking on the way there or back from where we come from. But again, like, you know, the only frustrating is that like we're on a 5-game losing streak after tonight's loss, and like, you know, we absolutely dummy Detroit 8-3, and you smoked Pittsburgh 6-3 after being down 3-1 in the third period. And then you lose 2 games to, you know, Tampa and Carolina, 'cause, I mean, that's a given. They're 2 good teams. Lose to Arizona, absolute worst team in the league. Then, of course, you know, we lose at home to the return of Jack Eichel, 7-4. Eichel gets a hat trick, of course, of all things. And then tonight, you know, we get the opening goal, Tage Thompson with the shorthanded goal to start off the game. It was really, aside from that, that was the highlight of the night, though, for sure. Craig Anderson played a hell of a game, but again, the boys just couldn't fire on the fucking net. Middlestat and Olsen, you guys let us down a little bit tonight, though. But I mean, hey, it happens. We'll get them back soon, but can't win them all. But again, this is a learning season for, you know, you got Quinn and Power and also Paterka also in their rookie season too. So this is gonna happen a bit with the boys too. Yeah. Also, the Sabre store kind of didn't have much stuff in there. I was looking for possibly a red, black, and white jersey of Cousins, and then for myself, and then Thompson for my brother. But sorry, Josh, they didn't have any. They didn't have any Thompson in the blue, the royal blue, like Natalie's wearing of Olafson, or the white at all. If there was, Josh, would have gotten you on for sure, man. You owe me a 10-second car. There's our 10-second car.
You see approximately.
Should I try this for the first time?
What?
Talking to the camera.
They're trying me.
It's actually pretty good. Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function. With bold, thirst-quenching flavors to help refresh, replenish, and refuel, Prime is the perfect boost for every endeavor. We're confident you'll love it as much as we do. Humbly, the Prime team. 10% coconut water, 250 ml. A little bit of a flurries on the way. After we made a quick pit stop at the mall. As you can see back there, Natalie got her Squishmallow. Hey, it's me again. Just realized I forgot to film an outro when I went to go edit this video, so this is gonna be the outro of the video. It was a really fun weekend. Sad my teams both let me down, Sabres and Bills, but again, we always regroup for next weekend. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this webisode. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.